Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn a long video into 3 viral short remix in YouTube Shorts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to turn a long video into 3 viral shorts in your YouTube Shorts, you need to open your YouTube app in your mobile phone. Simply tap open your YouTube app, and once you open your YouTube app, go to the short you want to make template of. So once you have selected the short you want to make template of, you can simply find this remix like button right below the share option. Simply tap that particular option and tap on this template. So once you have selected use this template as well, you need to now simply add your clips to the template and create your short. So this is how you can simply turn a long video into 3 viral shorts, or simply remix your shorts in YouTube Shorts option. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.